says Friendship Under the Sea book. Fly the boat.
I cannot. Oh. That's Look at my babies. It looks real.
It's
like
finally
a proper
here.
book. Cannot wait to show the kids. It's Whose is it from? Is it yours? Put it. Oh, thank you, August. Wait, are you ready? Say that again. I think Bunny is very right. 1, 2. This is your book, friends. Look. Yes. Who wants to see it? Look at this. Look, friends. Oh no, this is so amazing.
Friendship Under the Sea.
So, Friendship Under the Sea, and here it says a story by. Because you are what? Orphans!
Our name.
And why did you write your names here?
Everybody asked who was as we saw them.
Yes, because you're famous now. You're celebrities.
Can you sit down and then tell us what your favorite part of the book is? Mermaid?
Because I like swimming and I like hearing
Who's that?
the mermaid.
Wow, why is that your favorite part?
Because I know. I'm an author. This one. Because it's beautiful. An angry mermaid. Wow. Hey, yeah. This.
Which one, the shark's house? Or
Yes.
the sand?
Shark house. Here.
Yeah, that's your favorite part.
Can you tell us what you drew?
All the animals. The mermaid. The fish. Polar bear. Beluga. The penguin and the shark. Finding the goldfish.
Did you have fun drawing the book?
Yes.
Yes? What's your favorite part when you make the book?
Fish. And this is my angry mermaid and my sad mermaid. This.
You drew that?
The goldfish inside the shell. This one. I wrote this page. This and this.
That's yours? Where is your favorite page of the book? This one.
Because they have so many colors. I all love it bright. Because Kevin, Mr. Martin, and Lou and Mr. Lee.
You draw that one?
Not this. Not this one. Me.
You?
Yeah. JJ.
JJ, look. JJ, you?
What?
Yeah, the same, right?
Yeah. You see?
Which
You see? Wow. Wow.
Do you have something
The
you...
same. This is the same. The same.
Yeah, you drew that.
Same.
Wow.
Yeah, that's your goldfish. Same.
Same, same.
Same. Can you find yourself? Where are you?
Here.
Here, who's that?
Okay, Alfred. This is me and my dolphin.
Where's Sheldon? That's you.
This is me. This is me.
Because you are what?
Alfred.
That's me.
They're holding every day.
Do you know anything about coral?
They move.
They move. How do you know?
I watched the video on JKC.
What happened to Miss Mermaid's corals?
They die. It's dirty. To cut the corals.
Why is it broken?
From like from something
What do they throw in my house?
garbage.
What is the money for? Who
To
are we
build
helping?
your house. Because we have to get money to help you to build the corals. Because you have to do a house on the sea.
So how do we help the corals?
And to help build the coral. Every day I want to boat in the rabbit bin. I wish that I can be a mermaid. I wish I can have a pretty boat.
You do have a pretty boat.